this is the exploring factory I/O video 1 for example 1, and we are going to use the factory I/O scene from A to B, which basically has a box entering this conveyor in this position. We have the conveyor motor here that we are going to actuate, and you have a sensor here which is on by default, activated. So we are going to use the S7-1200 from Siemens with TIA portal and the PLC-SIM. So these are the outputs of the PLC. So we are going to use the sensor connected to this input 0.0, and the conveyor is going to be actuated by this output. So we have to use exactly the same addresses in these tags from the sensor and conveyor. As you can check here, they are the same. And using the template which is provided by IO Factory with this function, in this case the ladder diagram is quite simple. If the sensor is not activated, so is going to actuate the conveyor. So this means that it doesn't detect any box in front of the sensor. So this is the normal situation when the sensor, when the box doesn't reach the sensor. We can see this happening in the TIA portal. So the conveyor is actuated. And when this box reaches this position, in this case the sensor is, the conveyor is not activated, which is what happens in this point. We are going to try to see what happens. So I'm going to change for the TIA portal. Okay, I already start the simulation, so I can go online here to see what is going on, and I can see here that in this case, because no box is detected, the conveyor is on. So if I go to the factory I/O and start the simulation, this is what is happening at this point. When it reaches this position here, the conveyor is not activated. Now again you can see what's going on. Okay, and we